Hi, this is a video to demonstrate how we can process accountant's mail within Chronoscan. In here we have a stream of documents, a multi-page document that was scanned with all of today's mail. Lots of different clients, all scanned in one batch on a scanner. Normally this file would land in a hot folder here, where Chronoscan is constantly monitoring, but to save time in this video, we've already imported the document into here. So our one document we are now going to process. Chronoscan is going to OCR the document, split it up into its individual documents using AI, and then index each document. And there we are. So here we have each individual document split up, indexed by the client, who the originator was, the date, and the subject of the mail. Different client, company's house, date, subject. Also down here we have a summary in about 20 words, I think, of that document which AI has created. As you can see here, we have a match between what AI returns and your client list. So the best match for Beach Spacefield Asset Management Ltd was Beachfield Asset Management Limited, as that's the name that's going to be on your system already. We've also done a lookup here. Once we know who the client is, we've returned who the account manager is and the account manager's email address. When we go to export, we can do a number of things. All can be tailored. The first thing we do is we create a PDF for each document, and we're going to save it to our file system, in this instance our server. We're going to create a folder based on the client's name, Scanning and Data Solutions Ltd, a correspondence folder, followed by the originator, in this case company's house, and then the file name based on all the same data, the date, the originator, the subject of the document. We're also going to send a copy to SharePoint using a similar folder structure here. And send an email with that PDF attachment to each of the account managers. The body of the email will contain this text here, so they get a summary of what the attachment is about without opening it. So export. That's all the documents saved to my server, off to SharePoint. And now being emailed. traditionally, no doubt, each piece of mail would be scanned individually, probably on a multifunction scanner, probably saved on a desktop, then opened, a note made about what the document's about, then renamed, and then manually filed into SharePoint or the account system. So this just removes that whole labour-intensive process. So that's it. All exported, all emailed, all saved. Oh, and there we go. There's an email with an attachment to the account manager. I hope that was of interest. Thanks for listening.